Hey you guys, one of the biggest things that I keep getting asked about is that people don't know how to formulate videos by doing clips. So this is totally impromptu. I'm in my car and there's lots of traffic behind me, but let's just get to it. So what I do is I always film my videos. I'm going to go to my camera. I always film my videos, photos, right? I always film my videos in, just on my phone, just as is, just normal, okay? And then, once those are clipped together, however I need to, if I'm out of breath or I can't think straight, which is mostly what happens, I'll stop it and restart it. So, this is my favorite app. There's lots of video editing software, you guys, but I'm just going to go through VideoShow because it is my favorite. So as you can see, there's 286 in my drafts, right? You guys, videos are so important. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click video edit, and you can choose video and picture. For video purposes, let's just go ahead and click video at the top so you can scroll through these, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click a couple videos that probably have nothing to do with each other. Let's just do these two, and I'm going to add them. Okay, right out the camera, there's going to be sound. Okay, it's not very loud, but there is sound. So right here, I like to mute. This is just me, okay? Clip edit, and hit the volume button all the way down. This, all the way down, so you can't hear anything that's happening behind me. Hit the check mark when you're done. Clip edit is where I do most of my edits, so I like to speed things up. Right? Say I want this, say this is a long, not long, long-ish tutorial that I just really want to speed up. I can go 2 times. Hit that, and then it goes much faster. See how fast? I wouldn't recommend going slower, but you could if you wanted to. So I'm just going to do the same. Typically, I like to keep them the same for all. All right? So now let's try it this way. Let's talk about trimming, right? Because sometimes the videos, they just don't mesh well together, and you'll learn this as you go, you guys, but don't stress too much about it. If you want to trim, see how I'm holding it there for a little bit longer? I'm going to go back, I'm going to hit the trim, and I'm going to go right up. Here, let's see. Right up. Okay. So that way, hit the check mark again. That way this video looks like this. See how it just kind of translates it? Okay, so that's something fun you can do with this. You can also add text. Okay, so we're just going to do testing. And we're going to hit this. You can put it up, spin it around, do whatever you want to do, make it bigger, make it smaller. You can choose from all of these different things. You guys, I do have the paid for VideoShow app. So if mine doesn't look like yours, it's okay. It's normal. You guys can change the color. You can do whatever you want. Again, always hit the check mark. So check marks hit. Now look at this. This is how long that is going to be in there. So it's 3 seconds. If I want my words to last longer, I draw it out. If I want it to last less, I draw it in. You guys see that? As always, hit the check mark. Okay. Something also, okay, it's going really slow. Okay. Something also that I always use is music. Okay, always add, and then I just hit music. Multi-music means if you want 2 different musics in it. Dub means that I can add my voice over top, which is what I do sometimes, like when I do inspiration videos or if I want to talk about my video. For this purpose, because it's such a short video, I wouldn't talk. I would just add music, scroll the different categories. Again, yours might look different than mine, and add that in. Okay, what else can I teach you guys? Theme is something really fun, and if you guys do anything like a monthly special video, that is super fun. So there's lots of different themes. Again, mine may look different than yours, but I mean, you wouldn't use the theme videos if you're showing a makeup look if it puts an automatic filter on it. You know what I mean? But they're just really cool ways to play around, have fun, create some excitement, and create some hype. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to hit none. And then you don't have to do anything. Okay, so again, music, edit. I do most of my things that I do in clip edit. You guys can change the transition. There's lots of different things, you guys. I really don't use most of that stuff. say I'm here and I'm like, man, I really wanted to add a picture and I forgot. I hit clip edit. I hit this add button. I'm going to hit, actually, let me show you guys something cool. We'll do the picture first. Okay, so we're just going to do I have a picture? Yeah, picture. Okay. And then say I want to do a reverse video. You guys, these are really, really, really fun to do. Once you get a little bit fancier, I guess I should say. Okay, once you do a little bit of fun stuff. A reverse video is kind of fun. I'm trying to think of where I could find something that I can reverse it for you. I don't really know. Okay, let's just pick anything and then it is what it is. Okay, so I'm just going to click this one again, add on this video again. Whoops, bring the sound down. I'm going to speed it up 2 times, but then watch. I'm going to hit reverse. And this is really cool. This is just like a pro tip, you guys. If you want to reverse something and you're like, say you're showing off the new lip glosses and you drop it. So when you're filming your video, literally, like, you can put a blanket there, a kid can stand there, you know, you can drop it on the couch, whatever. You hold up the product, you look at it, play with it for a second and drop it. And then when you do this reverse video thing, it's going to reverse it. So it's going to look like it's coming out of the nowhere and then it's popping in your hand. So when you film those types of videos, and like I said, I'm getting very pro with this, you guys. Really all you do when you film that video is, ready? I hit my record, I take my lippy, I wiggle it around, look at it, drop it, and then I stop. Okay, because you don't want to reverse the whole video, and that way you can reverse in segments. So I'm just going to cancel this. You guys get the point. That was apparently my service is not that great, so it's just not rolling with me. Okay, always hit this when you want to export. You export out the highest qualities that you guys can, and that's it. But it's really fun. Get in there, play around. I always film almost all of my videos in separate clips, just to get myself prepared, and that way the video is very informational without being too much. So just wanted to share, if this adds value to you, tag a yesty so that way we know it'll add value to them.